Can that go? Can we get rid of this entire wall? Can we rip out any walls to make this bigger?
Let's just get the sledgehammer now.
Every wall must go.
Okay. There used to be one house, one big overgrown backyard, and now there's two houses. Yo, we're at the Y Street Reno and lots of action, lots of changes. Let's have a look around. Hey Corey.
Hey Josh.
How you doing, man?
Thanks.
Good weekend?
Yeah.
Party? No.
Fishing.
Fishing? True. So how good is it with the landscaping plan coming together?
I know.
This house here, this blue one, was on site on the front and it had a real ugly conservatory attached to it. It's been picked up, moved to the back. Got the yellow house over there has come from a site we're working on around the corner. The cool thing about this site is that we've worked alongside the developer to recycle both houses. They're going to both look and feel brand new inside, going to retain their character outside. Welcome to my humble abode. Come in. So in here he wants to keep the kitchen cabinets, but he reckons that we should replace the bench tops. What's your thoughts on this blind? That could stay? What about these curtains?
They're actually fine. The nets need to go.
No nets, but we'll try and keep the curtain.
Should we keep the hole in the ground?
Yeah, it's like ventilation.
Can we get rid of this entire wall? Like it's just a weird little jut out, but can we just cut it here?
Yeah, it would be nice. Well, we need to work out if it's load bearing. There's two loads of wall like this would be catching. A dead giveaway is that there's a lintel here, so I know that this is load bearing, but basically it's either catching the ceiling joists or the roof point loads from the roof. The bad news is that both this side and that side are doing both. We can get rid of it, but it's going to be min 10 grand and a consent to get a beam in there. It'll definitely open up more, but I think goal is to like refresh it.
What about just a post?
A post? Hey, that's a really good option. We could talk to the designers. We just need to check that it's not a brace wall either, but we could build in something to this height here.
Like a couple of shelves and a desk.
How about we get in the roof, we'll have a proper look, we'll work out what's got to stay. I really like the idea though.
Okay,
So I was hoping she'd just give up and say, yeah, okay, we can jib it.
Can we get rid of this? This whole bit? Can that go?
Like back to here and back to there.
Yeah.
Let's just get the sledgehammer now.
Every wall must go.
Okay. Come into this amazing bathroom.
It's yuck, I'm not going in there.
Real quality. Looks like this whole room has been designed to get wet. We're going to rip the linings off all four walls. We're going to pull the bath out. We're going to put a corner shower in. New vanity, new loo. Basically, rip the whole thing out. I reckon these rooms just need new paint, new curtains, new carpet.
They're like decent sized.
Behind this door, we've got a third bedroom. This is the one with open ventilation. And down there is Corey. You've been breaking into houses?
Yeah, well, couldn't find my key, so.
Yeah, it's your height too, eh? Hey Gwenny, how you doing? Good. Looking awesome, eh? finished deck height will be there,
Yeah.
which is sweet.
Yep.
It's looking awesome, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, hey, we were going to save that.
No, you
Well, we're not anymore.
new wardrobe interiors or no? That's fine. We could keep that.
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah, there's even a pull-up part.
yeah, that's fine. Can we rip out any walls to make this bigger, or is what it is? Every wall must go.
What do you reckon in here about ditching the bath and just doing a shower?
No, I think we keep a shower over bath.
Shub?
Not a shug. Shower over a bath.
I don't know what the difference is, but
Well, aren't shubs the like where they're actually really high
Oh,
and you've
yeah.
got to and you're like up on a podium?
okay. Laundry, he wants us to check some rot in the wall there. New flooring, otherwise pretty good.
So these are all fine, just new bench top. And then will we make a bar? Yeah.
Maybe we think about the size table that's going to go there. I like the idea of a breakfast bar. It's a shame because you're right, like if we could get rid of this, be a game changer. Follow us along as we take this from old rundown house to mint new property. It's Smoko. Should we go and get a pie?
I don't eat pies, Josh.
Well, I love a pie and a coffee on Smoko, but I also like to write down my thoughts, ideas, things I've learned in the last 10 years being in the building game, and I'm putting them in a mailing list, nzbuilder.co.nz/smokochat.